I need to have a little bit of room to move around and get in to each individual piece of wood to push the product into the blue. So when I'm using the white, which that's going to be coming up here soon, that's where you want to get what's called lacing. The lacing is something that occurs partially by using heat and partially by using some time. The time works with the resin to help create the lacing, which gives you the foamy look of the water. So I'm just finishing up here, spreading the resin, making sure I'm happy with all